My name is Henrik Jacobi. I'm from Energieholz Hessen, and this is our EW100. We're currently working with the felling grapple and removing some of the vegetation here along this ditch. For this, I need flexibility and maneuverability, which the tilt rotator makes possible. I can easily move my attachment into any position so that I can precisely target a specific plant. Another important factor for us is actually the compactness and stability, of course. We're on rough terrain. It's not level. The ground isn't always stable either. That's something that sets this machine apart. I can reach spots that I'd probably have trouble with on other machines. You can work very delicately if you want to, but you can also adjust the machine so that you can work quite roughly. The range of adjustment options is very wide, making it ideal for us. Then we have the mulcher here. It shreds the remaining material, which can then be left on the ground here as fine wood chips. That too is something that sets this excavator apart. This excavator provides us with the oil capacity and flow rate needed to operate this forestry mulcher at all. It was important to us that the machine could reach 40 kilometers per hour. Another very important point was the ability to tow a trailer to transport attachments. Then we come to hedge maintenance. For hedge maintenance, we have a large pruning saw that allows us to trim hedges in outdoor areas simultaneously at a working height of 2.4 meters. We're extremely satisfied. The machine does exactly what it's supposed to. It's reliable. We haven't had any breakdowns. It also handles the work just the way we need it to. And for us, the machine is an absolute all-rounder. We use it almost every day. You can work really precisely with this machine.